What?
Nah, I can't even hear him on the phone, and he's talking loud. His phone, I think something wrong with his phone. Calvin said he was waiting at the school at 11. I told him it was 11:20. And he said no one was there, so he left. So I told him we're supposed to wait at 11:20 from the school.
So he's calling off?
So he can't come. I told him if he wants to come, he has to take 12:48.
Where now is 12.
That's the next train comes in an hour, so 12:48. He told me he thought we were supposed to be at 11 o'clock. He showed up, but he never called. He said he was just waiting. So I told him he could come next time.
Spring break.
Yeah, spring break, that's what I said.
If we could expect get another game.
No, I said he still wants to come. It's 12:40. No, have you ever called Cal? His phone?